There are a lot of years of experience required to be a XOWii nutritionist. The credentials are certainly in the area of nutrition, but for the most part, I bring to the table a huge medical background, having run home health agencies, having worked with neurosurgeons, neurologists, post-acute rehabilitation specialists, and directly with registered dietitians. All those years of experience have been amassed into one single focus, which is now XOWii. XOWii Ultimate is a very different product. First of all, it is liquid versus the solid products that you see out there in pills and capsules. Those are poorly absorbed. But better yet, the liquid absorption that we have with XOWii Ultimate makes all the ingredients very bioavailable. Only 2 ounces and you get enough nutrients that would be the equivalent of eating a plate full of food, and probably 10 plates as a matter of fact. XOWii Ultimate was specifically designed for the entire population of people that are out there in the United States. You may have specific issues such as you're a vegetarian or a vegan, or you're on a specific medication, or you have a diet or style that does not allow dairy or gluten or any kind of allergens. You are the folks that we specifically went to design this product to make it for you. There are no allergens, there are no issues with medication complications. In fact, XOWii Ultimate can benefit people who are on medications because of the drug nutrient depletions that take place with taking medications. In my past, I was the CEO of a water technology company. I'm a stickler for water, and there's a lot of misinformation out there. One of the first things I did with our lab was to review their water system. Why? Simply because it's the largest part of the product. So we made very specific demands on the water and the quality of the water. In fact, it has no total dissolved solids in it whatsoever. It's perfectly pure. Why? Because I want my really great ingredients to not have any interference with anything. No fluoride, no chlorine, none of that stuff. You can rest assured that the purest water around is that which is in XOWii Ultimate. The best ingredients we have are for uptake and the ability to get the materials in your body quicker. Bioperine happens to be a pepper derivative, all natural, but it enables those ingredients to get into you quicker, faster, and longer for a period of time. You get more for your money in another way. We have other ingredients called Oxynia, a 22 fruit and vegetable blend. This is actually a cardioprotective material that's used in France, and we had to go to France to get that material, but spare no expense with these ingredients. We also have a material called FloraGlow, which is lutein, very clinically proven for eye health, but it has to be in a therapeutic dose, which we have in XOWii Ultimate. And another material enables that material to get in, and that's called zeaxanthin. And I know if you look on the label, you haven't heard of any of these materials, and that's because we chose the very best, not from a cost point of view, but from a human health point of view, and to make this product the best for you. Actually, the motives were a little selfish. I was looking for the best multivitamin for myself. I had come from a liquid multivitamin company as their CEO. I knew exactly what I was looking for, but I had some cost constraints that I was dealing with. So now at XOWii, I don't have those cost constraints. I can use the very best ingredients. And you must trust that the very best ingredients have clinical science, have been exquisitely designed, and made for a wide population that exists in the United States. And at the end of the day, all the fancy words and fancy ingredients don't matter a bit. They're only 2 words. You must trust the product enough to share it with a family member or a friend. And if you have that in your heart, which I have as the formulator, then you've got XOWii Ultimate as the best product for you.